Within a relatively short time, Southeast Asia was grabbed, falling under the influence of a super app cleverly called Grab. Everything from deliveries, ride-hailing, and digital financial services saw the involvement of Grab, mainly in countries like Cambodia, Indonesia, Malaysia, Myanmar, the Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam. It all began when Grab set out on a mission to drive economic empowerment for everyone in Southeast Asia, guided by its core principles: heart, hunger, honor, and humility. As a super app, Grab lets millions of people access ordering food or groceries, sending packages, hailing rides, making online payments, and accessing financial services like lending and insurance. The platform also offers digital banking services through partnerships with GXS Bank in Singapore and GX Bank in Malaysia. Grab's strong brand presence in Southeast Asia has enabled the company to maintain and grow its scale in the region. The company believes that Southeast Asia is still undergoing rapid digitalization, presenting a significant opportunity for Grab to capture this growing market. Factors like rapid urbanization, a mobile-first population, increasing digitalization of services and consumption, a supportive regulatory landscape, and a large unbanked and underserved population are expected to drive the adoption of digital services in Southeast Asia. Grab's consumers come from diverse demographics and socioeconomic backgrounds, with over 41 million monthly transacting users in 2024. These consumers are characterized as being highly engaged, demanding high-quality services, technological functionality, and prompt responsiveness. The company's driver partners are equally diverse, representing various ethnicities and age groups. They take pride in providing rides, food deliveries, and package deliveries, with over 5,100 persons with disabilities performing transactions on the platform in 2024. The driver partner network is highly inclusive, providing opportunities for individuals from all walks of life. Grab's merchant partners range from local entrepreneurs like small restaurants, convenience stores, and grocery stores, to multinational franchises and lifestyle service providers, such as hotels and travel agents. They also partner with Indonesian Grab kiosk agents to expand its reach. Grab also leverages its technological capabilities to mitigate environmental impact in Southeast Asia. The company has formed partnerships to accelerate the adoption of electric vehicles, enabled consumers to contribute to environmental causes, and optimized demand and routes to reduce carbon emissions. In addition to its core offerings, Grab has a growing suite of enterprise offerings, including Grab Maps, its mapping and location-based service. The company's super app also provides other lifestyle services, such as hotel bookings, subscriptions, and more in certain countries. Grab's deliveries platform connects driver and merchant partners with consumers, facilitating on-demand and scheduled delivery of daily necessities, including food, groceries, and packages. The company operates supermarkets in Malaysia and offers dine-out deals, Grab ads, and promoted listings to merchant partners. Mobility offerings connect driver partners with consumers seeking rides across various multimodal mobility options, including private cars, taxis, motorcycles, and shared mobility options. Grab Rentals facilitates vehicle rental for driver partners, while Grab Ads provides online and offline advertising solutions. Grab's financial services offerings include digital solutions addressing the financial needs of driver and merchant partners and consumers, such as digital payments, lending, receivables factoring, and insurance distribution. Digital banking services operate through partnerships with GXS Bank in Singapore and GX Bank in Malaysia, which are designed to provide consumers and driver and merchant partners with access to affordable financial services. Financial services mainly consist of GrabPay, a digital payment solution; Grab Rewards, a loyalty platform; GrabFin, a platform that provides access to financial services; Pay Later, a service that enables consumers to pay for goods and services on a later date or in installments; and Grab Insure, a platform that connects consumers with affordable insurance products. Grab's business model revolves around connecting millions of consumers with millions of driver and merchant partners through its platform. Revenue mostly comes from service fees and commissions paid by driver and merchant partners for using the Grab super app to connect with consumers and facilitate transactions. In the deliveries segment, consumers pay the total dollar value of goods ordered, delivery fees, and platform fees, which is partially offset by promotions. Merchant partners receive the dollar value of goods ordered, minus the commission paid to Grab. Driver partners receive the delivery fee and incentives minus the commission paid to Grab. In the mobility segment, consumers pay the total dollar value of the ride, including tolls and platform fees, which is partially offset by incentives. Driver partners receive the value of the ride, including tolls and platform fees, minus the commission paid to Grab. In the financial services segment, digital payments, lending, receivables factoring, and insurance generate revenue from transaction fees, interest income from loans, and commissions from the sale of insurance products. Other services Grab Maps, a business-to-business enterprise offering that provides base map data and map-making tools, and lifestyle services, such as hotel bookings and subscriptions, offered by third-party service providers through the Grab app. The Grab ecosystem is likened to a flywheel effect, where the continuous interactions among participants drive growth and engagement, encouraging consumers and partners to use the Grab platform, driving greater selection, better value, more bookings, and faster delivery times. This in turn creates more income opportunities for driver and merchant partners, encouraging them to join the platform. The increasing density of driver and merchant partners results in faster delivery times and improved experiences for consumers, reinforcing the value proposition, leading to greater selection, better value, faster booking allocations, and delivery times. The financial services offerings further reduce transactional frictions, facilitating seamless transactions and providing additional opportunities for consumers to engage with partners. The integrated advertising solutions, Grab Ads, enable merchant partners and enterprises to reach consumers with targeted messaging and offers, driving consumer spend and improving partner outcomes. Consumers discover advertisers seamlessly via personalized advertising and content, increasing transaction frequency and order sizes. Since the ecosystem has reached a level of scale where it's become efficient enough to spur growth and facilitate the rapid rollout of new offerings. For example, food delivery and GrabMart can be offered at lower costs. Moreover, the ecosystem enhances the resilience of Grab's business model, providing a diversified and flexible platform that facilitates important high-frequency everyday consumer services. The focus on providing a broad range of key offerings contributes to the resilience of the business model. The synergies across offerings enable new innovative products such as deliveries-based coverage and Grab Unlimited, a paid loyalty subscription program. The ecosystem has also enabled Grab to develop credit profiles for driver and merchant partners, providing them with access to formal credit opportunities. Then, even though this super app serves users in over 800 cities across Southeast Asia, its technology systems are designed to be scalable yet flexible enough to be hyper-local. The platform takes into account languages and other local variations specific to countries and cities across Southeast Asia. Investments have been made in building key technology infrastructure in-house, including proprietary mapping, routing, journey time prediction, and point-of-interest capabilities. The company has also developed a proprietary technology stack to power Grab Ads, its in-house advertising platform, and GrabLink, its in-house PCI-compliant secure payment gateway. As a pan-regional operator, Grab's approach starts with having dedicated, local, boots-on-the-ground execution teams, led by local leaders in each country. They also invest significant time in developing and maintaining deep and long-standing local relationships across the region. The company's collaborative approach with various stakeholders and regulators in each market is a key aspect of its business. By recognizing that problem-solving at the local level is essential to succeed, rather than taking a one-size-fits-all approach, the needs of its users in each market can be met with customization to suit the needs of its driver and merchant partners and consumers in each individual market. Grab believes it is positioned favorably in terms of safety, value, and breadth, depth, and quality of offerings on its platform. The integration of offerings on its super app platform provides consumers with one-stop access to everyday needs, differentiating Grab from many of its competitors. Grab's roadmap for sustainable growth is centered around 4 key areas: investing in technology and infrastructure, driving efficiencies and monetization opportunities across its partner network, expanding its range of products and offerings with a focus on high-growth areas, and pursuing targeted investments, acquisitions, and partnerships. Technology and infrastructure investment is meant to enhance user experience and improve efficiency. This includes refining its on-demand delivery algorithm and mapping capabilities to optimize routing and reduce delivery times. Grab also plans to focus on AI to better predict its users' needs, enabling more relevant, personalized, and engaging experiences. Additionally, there are plans for automation to increase the efficiency of operational processes, like the processing of support inquiries. Secondly, Grab aims to drive efficiencies and monetization opportunities across its partner network, primarily by increasing engagement and addressable advertising opportunities by increasing the breadth and deepening the personalization of its diversified offerings. They also plan to optimize driver partner network and maximize efficiencies by enabling more driver partners to service multiple verticals to satisfy demand. Furthermore, the company plans to offer more tools to assist its merchant partners in innovating and increasing their revenue and productivity. Grab also intends to cross-sell financial services such as loan and insurance products to its driver and merchant partners. Thirdly, Grab is focused on expanding its range of products and offerings in high-growth areas like package and groceries delivery, financial services, advertising services, and subscription programs. The company also intends to leverage its user base and scale in digital e-wallets and transactional e-commerce data to innovate and offer new financial services products to consumers and small and medium-sized businesses. Additionally, Grab sees significant potential in targeted advertising for merchant partners and plans to expand its subscription program, Grab Unlimited, to deepen user engagement and drive retention, transaction frequency, and volume on its platform. Lastly, Grab plans to pursue targeted investments, acquisitions, and partnerships to complement its organic growth strategy. They expect to selectively pursue investments and acquisitions that enhance user experience and solidify and extend its market position. The intention is to focus on investments, acquisitions, and alliances that attract new consumers to its platform and broaden its offerings. For more on Grab and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.